Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Camry headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a new headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down. Safety is paramount, so take a moment to prepare your workspace before starting any repairs. To access the headlight, you'll need to partially remove the front bumper. Start by carefully removing the plastic clips and screws that hold the bumper cover in place. Once loosened, gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender. This will expose the headlight assembly, which is typically secured by three 10mm bolts. Now it's time to replace the bulb. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it off. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 turn and carefully pull it out. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare fingers. Line up the tabs, push it in, and twist clockwise to secure it. With the new bulb in place, reassemble everything in reverse order. Secure the headlight assembly with its three 10mm bolts. Carefully reattach the bumper cover, making sure all plastic clips and screws are properly fastened. Finally, turn on your headlights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly and that the beam is properly aimed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.